a college going student or are starting college this year just like me and you're confused on what you should wear to college, then you are at the right place, because I have purchased not only one but 4 beautiful looking gorgeous kurtis from Meesho. These kurtis are not only a hit for college going students but is great for daily wear because two things. First of all, this is really comfortable, and second of all, this comes under a budget. So if you are looking for something that you want to go for a daily wear, or you want to perhaps wear it to the college, or if you're a working person, you are at the right place. So without any further ado, let's get started into this video. These are the set of kurtis that I will be showing you guys today, and this kurtis are really so much comfortable to wear. This is the first kurti that I have. Look at the color, it is so gorgeous. The pattern, I love this. Literally, I am in love. I am obsessed with this. In all of the kurtis that I have purchased and I'll be showing you guys in this video, this is literally my favorite one. Look at the pattern, look at the texture, and look at the material, guys. It is so comfortable. I have already wear it, already used it a couple of times. I'll share you the screenshot of this kurti. You can go and buy it, but other than that, there will be a link in my description box, so you can obviously go and click and you can purchase this kurti. This is such a beautiful one. Alright, so this is the second kurti. Blue is my favorite color, so of course I went for this. Other than this, there were like 2-3 options for this, but I personally love this color, so I have purchased this one. And once again, look at the pattern, look at the design of this, and here is the material. It is so breathable, so comfortable to wear, and this goes with almost every pair of jeans that I own. So I am literally obsessed with this, and I love the color and the pattern this gives. I don't know what the pattern is called, whatever, but this is like so good. Once again, I'll share the screenshot at the side of my video, and other than that, there again will be link in the description box. You can obviously go click into it and try it. So here's the kurti. This kurti, as much as I remember, was my mom's choice. She actually bought this for me, so I thought that I'll be putting this kurti into this video, because this again is so comfortable, and this goes with almost every pair of jeans and pants I own. So this is really a hit. It is quite similar to the kurti that I've shown you before, because that was blue and white printed. The one, wait. Yeah, it is similar to this one because this is blue and printed white, and this is again white base with blue prints on it. I am obsessed. This is the third time I'm telling, but I am obsessed, and I love this kurti because it is so comfortable. On all of the kurtis that I own, I think this is the most breathable material. I'll show you the material, guys. Just look at this, take a closer look. Beautiful. It is literally beautiful, and I think this is a hit for any office wear or college wear. If you're wearing, or maybe you're hanging out with your friends, you can totally pair this up with each and every pants you own. I think this is a hit, and again, I'll share a screenshot and there will be a link in my description box, so you can go and purchase this. Once again, this is the kurti. I love this, guys. I literally love it. Okay, so this is the last pair of kurti for this video. This is dotted print on pink kurti, so let's try. On the kurtis that I've shown you earlier, this is the lengthy one. Those were the short kurtis that basically you wear with jeans and straight fit pants, but this one will be a hit with jeans and leggings. Both, whatever you like to wear, you can pair it with this. Again, this is so beautiful, and the thing that I like the most for this kurti is the buttons and this tassel, where it is, and this tassel thing literally gives a cherry on top. Other than that, this I think this material is of rayon. All of the kurtis actually are of rayon except this one. This one is of cotton material. This is the kurti. This is the look. This is a lengthy one, and I do not own much of lengthy kurtis. I only own most of the short ones and these top that I'm wearing. Look at the material of this. This is also such a breathable material, and I love the color of this. I love the print, the buttons, the tassel, everything is so beautiful on this kurti, on this kurti. Anyways, and also this has like a, what we call is a Chinese collar. I don't know if you guys know what a Chinese collar is, but do search it up on Google. Anyways, this has a Chinese collar, and this is also totally a hit if you are working. This, I guess, for my personal opinion, if you take this, I think is more suitable for those who work at the office, because I don't know, but the office going persons, they basically wear the lengthy tops and lengthy kurtis. So I think this is a hit for office going person more than a college going student. Anyways, this is the kurti, this is the back side of the kurti. And again, once again, I'll share screenshot and the link for this, so you can go and purchase this. These are all the pairs of kurtis that I shared with you guys today. I've shown in this video. This video was pretty short, and I know this was not a very fun or creative video, because all I wanted to do in this video was to show you guys what I've purchased. It is like a good review, you could tell, or you could, that's just a haul video that I wanted to share. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, please write in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel. And please let me know if you guys want this kind of content, this like short kurti hauls, or maybe dress, any haul if you guys want. Please let me know in the comments. And that is it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.